Monday video that is very special today because 1, it's a collab, and 2, it is a super special, not normal collab, because as you can see by the title, I am switching houses with the one and only Alicia Marie. Sorry. The one, the only Alicia Marie. It's so weird. This is the thing we're doing. We're not switching lives, we're just switching houses.
We've given each other Wi-Fi, that's honestly pretty much it. We just said like, let's just go live. Anything could happen.
Yep, both our fridges are not stocked.
Nope.
Not even sure which key is the one to get in the front door, so that's really good. We're off to a great start, but it's gonna be good. I'm gonna be just living my life at Alicia's house. I get to hang with Chloe all day. Alicia gets moose.
I'm so excited.
It's like a little bit of a terror, so I'm like
gonna be best friends.
Really praying for your life. So Alicia is obviously gonna be living her life here, so I'll leave that video in the description box below because honestly, like, girl, I am praying for you. Probably should have vacuumed before you came. Maybe stock the fridge a little bit, but
okay, we'll probably just go get Postmates.
yeah, literally gonna Postmates to each other's houses probably, yeah. All right, living life at Alicia's house, the Alicia Marie. I get so much access to your life today, it's crazy.
Oh my god, no, you have everything.
I have everything.
You literally
everything. Most, are you gonna be the #1 go boy for Alicia and Ashley today?
Can we be best friends?
The #1 go boy?
Can I babysit you today?
Be good. Be good. You're off to a great start. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Guys, I super made it. Chloe is not happy that there's an intruder here. Can you hear it? Chloe money! Yo, Chloe! You wanna open the door for me? Alicia, the video's canceled. All the way around. Handle, no wait, okay, up, no. All the way. Maybe handle up, all the way around and down. Good start to the video. I can't open the door. I thought I knew how to open a door until I realized that I didn't.
Put it in the bottom one and turn left.
Oh, it's the bottom lock?
Yeah.
Oh. I got it. Chloe money! Look at you! Oh. Oh. What's that noise?
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's at you. Chloe, I'm your new mom. I'm your mom for the day. Hello. I know. It's so exciting. There's no rules today. Are you going to the bathroom? What's happening? Was that an excited pee? I think she just peed. Are you peeing again? What's happening? I'm so confused. Oh, Chloe, it's okay. Oh, your fur is wet. Her tail's wagging. I think that's good. Wow, she really cleaned up in here. I did not clean my house this well. I don't know if you guys know this, but Chloe super does not like males, and Matt behind the camera
She don't like me.
is a male. That went really well.
Yeah.
We gonna have a party. You got some friends you want to call, girl? We gonna have a party today, girl. I really did not clean up the house as well as she cleaned up her
this
house.
is clean.
It was real clean.
What were you thinking?
I don't know. But I have to poop, and so love that that's my first activity as soon as I get to Alicia's house. I lost the pee.
I think you're kneeling on it.
I'm on it, am I on it?
Somewhere over there.
Oh, I found it. Oh my god, she like dribbled. Excited pee dribbled everywhere. I went to go wash my hands and realized there's a plug in here, so naturally I go take the plug out, but look it opens up to Narnia. This is like a deep abyss of like death. You could go all the way down here. I could lose a whole arm down here. That's danger. Danger. I've been here for 4 seconds. We out here struggling.
We really did just get here like 2 seconds.
We're about to check out the snack situation. I really did. Oh, she was like, you could have anything, but I didn't get anything. Both our fridges are not stocked. Nope. This is like a stocked fridge. I mean, like, girl, you got a lot of condiments happening. Wow! I'm gonna drink this.
Do it.
I mean, I guess there's not a lot of solid food, but drink situation and the wide arrangements of condiment situation is really good. Okay, Chloe. Ugh. Good bed. What do you think? Are we bonding? Nope, denied? Okay, cool. Love that. Love that for us. That's your butt. What would our ship name be, Chloe? Loey? What do you think about Loey? Or Clorin? Why are you the tiniest little fluffy baby cow in the whole entire world? Are we bonding? I'm gonna get close.
Oh, that was really cute.
Oh, that was cute. Nope, still no kisses? Okay, cool. Love that.
Are we gonna bond?
Honestly, normally she growls at boys. You're doing great.
I probably smell like a dog.
Maybe. Oh, like a girl dog too.
Yeah.
Do we like palm trees? Purple monkeys? Two-faced stuffed it. Girl, who you fooling with that bark. Are you scared?
Yeah, a little bit.
Girl, Chloe, you got a little bit of poop in your butt. You want me to help you out with that? Can I get up here with you? Can we both fit? No? Yeah, we can. Are you moving over so I can? No? Okay. Ooh, girl, you make a good warm spot. Very small, but it's warm. Cool. Really feeling the love from you, Chloe. It's a no. It's a no for swimming. But also, Alicia, why would she have like, no, actually, why? That's not even a question. Alicia has the most Tumblr Pinterest backyard in the entire world. Of course she has a hammock. Okay, let's. Hammocks are just like the most ungraceful thing to get into in the entire world. Okay, center of balance. Oh God, I just feel stressed when I'm in a hammock. Probably the opposite of what you're supposed to feel.
Why are your feet so spread out?
Because I'm trying to center my weight. Want to give me a little swing?
I'm scared.
Oh, me too.
Ready? I'll just pull a little bit, and then.
Oh yeah, it's nice. It's nice. A little motion sick, to be honest. I lost Chloe. I don't know if she went inside. I don't know if she's still outside. Chloe! Oh my God, there you are. Oh my God, don't do that to me. You little black and white potato. You scared me. Okay, we're gonna go lurk around upstairs. We're gonna scope out the nap situation in case I need a nap later. Like, are you kidding me? Imagine being mature enough to have your hallways decorated. Can't relate. Can't relate. Oh, this is the schoolroom. Oh my gosh, we have filmed so many back to school videos. Look at these are the lockers that we always do our Me Larisha collab at. Oh my God. Oh, the memories. Me Larisha. Whoa, drums. Oh, Ashley's really good at drums.
You're gonna have to rock out.
Do we think I'm smart enough to turn this on though?
Yes.
A few minutes later.
Update, not smart enough to figure out how to turn these on. A+ bed. Imagine I had broken it.
I know.
Honestly, there was a split second where I was really nervous. Oh God, this room is so beautiful. I feel like I don't even deserve to be in it. It's like a museum. Alicia, we're only showing your whole room because I know you've done a Mr. Kate episode and it was amazing and it still looks amazing and I'm obsessed with it and it's beautiful. But I'm also really nervous to get foundation on your all white sheets and stuff and I don't know how they're this still white. It's really impressive. I located a straightener and a few bobby pins. Alicia, I'm gonna owe you a few bobby pins after today. I hope you can forgive me. But I just really want to fix my hair. And also, Alicia's straightener is like a robot. It talks to you when it's like heated up and ready. It's like a little terrifying. Whoa, this is a good straightener. Do I need you GHD Platinum? You heard it here first. If you want hair like Alicia Marie, AKA we all do, GHD Platinum, robot straightener that talks to you. Okay, well, we can't all be Alicia Marie today, I guess. I thought I hit a light switch, but I thought it was for the pantry. No. It's apparently for their neon sign. Wow, that's so Alicia. Okay, so I've located the snack cupboard and Alicia and Ashley, I got a bone to pick with y'all because this is a freaking adult pantry with no good snacks. You have 3 packs of blue Skittles and I know you're probably saving those for a cheat day, so I'm not gonna eat them. But other than that, we've got like veggie chips, peanuts, organic black bean soup. What's a snacky girl gonna eat? I really might have to Postmate something. Found a fruit by the foot. Oh my God, I think I found Gushers. Ooh, and Chips Ahoy. Oh, I see. You put the healthy stuff on top to look healthy, but then you hide the good stuff. That makes more sense. They're gonna die when they go into my pantry because it's only bad food. Oh, ramen. Okay, we getting somewhere. Ooh, new Skittles. Okay, well, if you've got 4 packs of Skittles, maybe I'll eat 1 of your Skittles. Well, I'm gonna go for a blue pack of Skittles. We've got a buffet of some real bad food. Okay, healthy closet, we're done with you. Majorly disappointing. You guys are too healthy and it makes me feel bad about myself. Okay, so I'm getting my lurk on really aggressively because I'm kind of bored. I actually have things to do that I definitely should be doing, but I gotta get my full lurk on. And Alicia, I just really need to expose the fact that you have a whole drawer labeled fidget spinners! It's not full of fidget spinners, so like I don't want to expose this, but there's definitely at least 4 fidget spinners in here. Spent about 10 minutes looking for a pot, and this is the best that I can find, which is very large. But you guys do have a freakish amount of like fine china, which is really random. It's beautiful, by the way. But would love a saucepan because I'm gonna make some ramen. So currently I owe you 1 pack of blue Skittles, a pack of Gushers, 2 sparkling waters, and a pack of chicken ramen. I promise within the week I will return all of those items. I also don't know where, can you tell that I'm just like a pro in the kitchen? Ah!
Does that light up? What?
Wow, your stove would be like a freaking spaceship. Oh god, also I'm eating like a college student and I kind of love it. A little appetizer of blue Skittles and Gushers to top it off with some ramen. It's really great for my stomach. Probably should have worn a sweater. Okay, so I actually have like real work to do. I have to do some painting stuff because I'm going on KTLA morning show tomorrow. I gotta prep some DIY stuff. And also, girl, I'm using your mug right now to put my paintbrushes in. I hope that's okay. We just a mess out here. My biggest fear is ruining Alicia Marie's house. No one wants to be that person. Like, you just don't want to be that person that ruins everything for Alicia Marie. Okay, so this actually made ramen, but I don't even know how the fabric paint got over here. It's just like ramen with a side of fabric paint. I feel like, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Me cooking. Oh, this is what a mess. Oh, I just realized this means I have to wash dishes. I should have just Postmated. No! Guys, I'm gonna go be straight up Alicia Marie in like the hanging chair in the pink corner. I feel like Alicia would never eat ramen though. And I am Alicia. Oh my god, that's terrifying. That's terrifying. This is like the most Alicia chair. Wow. Wonder if she actually reads books in here. Probably not.
No,
right?
probably not. I would. There's a really comfortable couch right there.
Really comfortable couch right there. Yeah, this is for aesthetic. Chloe dog? I've been trying to get Chloe to go potty because she's prone to accidents. Oh, potty, go potty, go potty, go potty, go potty, and potty, and potty. Oh my god, do it, please do it, please do it. Give me a P!
P.
Give me an O!
O.
Give me a T!
T.
Give me another T!
T.
Give me a Y!
Y.
What does that spell?
Go potty!
Oh my god.
Oh, she did it.
Yes, 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 the cheer worked. The cheer worked. Yes! Okay, and that's our cue to go inside. Okay, so it's 6 p.m. It's Chloe's feeding time. I'm a little confused because there's 2 little containers that say Toby's food and Tweet's food, and none of the dads in the house is named for Tweet or Toby, so I'm not entirely sure which one I'm supposed to feed her, but I think this was sitting on Tweet's food. Chloe, you like Toby's food or Tweet's food better? Girl, let me know. I texted Alicia to verify that it was Tweet's food, and it is Tweet's food! Wow, imagine being a small enough dog to eat 1/4 cup of food. Moose really can't relate. That's it? Yo, Moose would be so mad if I gave him that much food. She said that we have to mix it with water because she's a big baby, and then she has to sit in her spot and wait for 10 minutes and say all done. So that's a lot of work for 1/4 cup of food. Also, she didn't tell me how much water goes in here. I'm stressed.
Well, that thing is
Is
swimming.
that a lot? That's a lot, right? That's a
Yeah.
lot. Oh, I lost a kibble.
That's everything when it comes to a
I
quarter
know.
cup.
10 minutes has passed, and Chloe, you are all done. Oh, I made it wrong. Are you kidding me right now? Who eats that daintily? I guess I've only ever seen Moose eat food, and this is not how Moose eats food. Yeah, girl, you get that crunchy kibble. Wow, her whole face has to go in the bowl.
That is so calm. It's 1 kibble at a time.
1 kibble at a time.
If it was half a cup, it would take all night.
All right, girl, we'll leave you to it. See you in an hour. Okay, update. It is much later now and it is completely dark, so I've got all of Alicia's lights on, which honestly probably took me about 10 minutes to figure out where all the light switches were. And I've single-handedly destroyed Alicia's kitchen, which is great. I'm gonna head home soon and wash some dishes, put my DIY supplies away. Mia's here chilling. We just ordered some Postmates. Ooh, girl, that leg no! That leg no! This is for the morning show that I'm gonna be on tomorrow, so I'm finishing up this, but like, can we just talk about the state of her kitchen island right now? It is ow, pain, ow, pain. Have to watch that, have to deal with this, and I don't even know where Chloe's at. I should probably go check on Chloe. Chloe, you good, you good? You good? Yeah, you good. You good. You're good. Alicia has returned to her humble abode.
It felt so weird.
Right? So Alicia was like, it was like an Airbnb, and honestly, that is like so spot on. I opened probably every single drawer just looking for like random things.
I ate one of your popcorn.
I ate a lot of your junk food.
I opened the pantry and I was like,
I know. Literally, I opened your pantry and I was like, this would be black beans and freaking healthy nuts, and I had to go digging and find the Gushers and find the fruit roll-ups.
Well, thanks for switching
Oh my
houses.
god, thanks
This
for
was
switching
fun.
house with my house. Hopefully everything's still in one piece. I hope you guys enjoyed this like kind of unique collab. I know we weren't in the video a ton together, but this is
I feel like they like this better.
yeah, right? I'm so excited to see your
I'm
video!
really
Oh my gosh, apparently they like super bonded with Moose and I'm so excited to see.
We food, we slept,
New spots,
we
right?
danced,
belly.
we rubbed the belly.
I'm so excited! Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out the video that Alicia filmed living her life at my house. And I will see you guys on Wednesday for LAUR and Sunday for another Sunday. Even though this wasn't a DIY, but maybe next Sunday will be a DIY, so I'll see you on Sunday. Bye guys!
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
She's the DIY queen, yeah, you know